In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an itch.io account step by step so you can get set up quickly and start exploring games, game jams, and indie projects on the platform. This is a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to register your account without any confusion. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official itch.io website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can create your account safely. Once the homepage loads, look for the Register button and click on it. This will take you to the sign-up page where you can begin creating your new account. Now you'll see a form asking for your details. Start by entering your username. Choose something that represents you or the name you want to use on itch.io because this is how other users may recognize you on the platform. Next, enter your email address. Be sure to type in an email you can access because you may need it later for verification, password recovery, or important account notifications. After that, create a strong password. It's always a good idea to use a password that is unique and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. This helps protect your account and keeps it safe from unauthorized access. Once your username, email, and password are filled in, take a moment to review everything carefully and make sure there are no typing mistakes. Before you finish, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Read through them if you want to understand the platform's rules and policies, then check the box to agree. After that, click Create Account. Itch.io will process your details and create your account. In some cases, you may also be asked to verify your email address, so if that happens, just open your inbox and follow the verification link or instructions provided. Once your account is created, you're ready to explore itch.io. You can browse indie games, follow creators, join game jams, and even upload your own projects later on. If you want to personalize your profile, you can do that after signing in and exploring the account settings. And that's it. You now know how to create an itch.io account in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.